Mosquito adult traps that use carbon dioxide or propane can cut adult populations when sized and placed correctly for large yards. Choose a trap type based on your property and maintenance willingness. For carbon dioxide-baited propane traps that generate carbon dioxide and heat, site them downwind and at least 20 to 30 feet from social areas so they draw mosquitoes away, not toward people. For electric fan traps paired with octenol lures, swap the lure every 3 to 4 weeks and clean the collection chamber weekly to prevent mold and reduce non-target bycatch. Battery or solar-powered units work for intermittent use and remote corners, but expect lower capture volume than mains-powered designs. Put them where vegetation and shade concentrate mosquito activity and orient any intake openings toward flight corridors between standing water and human activity. Combine adult trapping with habitat reduction and larviciding by treating persistent standing water with an appropriate larvicide following label directions and by eliminating containers that hold water. For any propane-based unit, follow manufacturer guidance on tank connections, flame arresters, and winter storage. Shut off fuel during high wind or severe storms to prevent hazards. 3 common mistakes owners make are poor placement, neglect of maintenance, and relying on traps alone. Placing traps too close to patios or doorways can increase encounters rather than reduce them, so move traps downwind and toward natural mosquito harborage. Letting lures and collection containers go unserviced cuts effectiveness, so set a recurring calendar reminder to replace baits, empty catch canisters, and clear fans and cones of debris. Expecting a single technology to eliminate mosquitoes is unrealistic, so pair adult trapping with larval control, landscape changes to reduce standing water, and targeted repellent use during peak activity to get consistent reductions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects such as yard mosquito reduction, so we help people find local options for installation and upkeep. We host a discussion community where members share real experience with trap brands, placement tips, and integrated strategies, and we help contractors find work by listing their services and project posts for homeowners to consider.